A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Victoria Mutual Building Society has acquired the mortgage portfolio of Sagicor Bank. Sagicor Bank has had a mortgage portfolio which was expanded when it acquired Royal Bank in 2014. TVJ News understands that the nation's third largest bank disposed of its mortgage portfolio recently. VMBS, which is the only legacy building society, has as its primary focus selling mortgages. The value of the transaction was not disclosed, but sources at VMBS say it's a little under $5 billion. VMBS also acquired the mortgage portfolio of Jamaica Mortgage Bank in 2014. The country is looking forward to new investments as JAMPRO hosts a Cuban delegation this week. The four-day tour began yesterday, where 5 factories were visited across the country. Manager of Marketing and Development at JAMPRO, Berletta Forrester, says that they have been interacting with the Cuban market for a number of years, but now they have the opportunity to show the Cubans what Jamaica is capable of manufacturing.
Cuba is a very big market, over 11 million people plus millions of tourists. And it's a great opportunity for Jamaica to supply Cuba. But we don't have a long tradition of selling products to Cuba. So we felt that many of the Cubans perhaps were not very clear on what Jamaica is able to offer, what our production facilities look like.
Ms. Forrester says this week is focused on a series of factory tours to display a wide range of products from the country's productive sector.
And I think they're quite impressed with what Jamaica has to offer. And as the week continues, we're going to be hosting some meetings between our manufacturers and the Cuban companies. Ultimately, what we're looking for is more business with Cuba.
1834 Investments is reporting profit after tax of $12 million for the financial year ending March 31, almost doubling profits of the prior year. It generated revenues of $199 million for the 12-month period to the end of March. This is 1834's first full year of operation without the company's former media businesses, which were sold to Radio Jamaica last year. 1834 reported a one-off charge totaling $50 million as part of the scheme of arrangement and amalgamation with Radio Jamaica. Oil prices rose slightly today as Saudi exports fell and solid demand soaked up some of what is seen as an oversupplied market. But Ecuador's decision to opt out of a supply reduction pact complicated the outlook for the OPEC-led cut agreement. U.S. light crude oil settled up 38 cents, closing at $46.40 per barrel. In foreign currency trading, the U.S. dollar closed the trading day at $128.16. The Canadian dollar ended the day at $101.92. Sterling closed at $166.92, while the euro sold for $146.46. And in Tuesday's trading session, the JC index declined by 23 points to close at 233,150. The junior market index declined by 16 points to close at 2,970. The winners were led by Cable and Wireless, Supreme Ventures, Jetcon, T-Tech, Main Event Entertainment, and Jamaica Producers. Among the losers were Berger Paints, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Radio Jamaica, ISP Finance, and Jamaica Stock Exchange. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.